As a follow-up to the iced milk switches, I present the Milkis switches. These are a combination of a Zaku bottom, 63.5 gram slow spring, an unwiped cow stem, and a Texi diamond unwiped top. The main inspiration for this was because the Texi switches have an integrated leaf spring in the bottom housing. It's tough to find a top housing that fits both the bottom housing and my overall aesthetic for switch choices. I also wanted to try something different with the stem and top combination apart from the nylon and POM, and I figured that the unwiped stem would fit the bill. Overall, these switches are dummy thocky. They have a very low sound profile and a very smooth travel. Albeit they're not as smooth as the iced milk with the nylon on nylon, but a tad smoother than the Zaku BCPs or the Husky Pies. One thing to note is that I did film these switches, but there's such a tight tolerance with the unwiped top that it took a little bit of gentle persuasion to get these to play nicely. I don't know if it's going to focus, but these tops don't exactly seat properly all the way, unless you really got to force it in. One thing I want to try down the line is getting the white cow switches, since I feel those are closest in terms of color, but the Zakus will do for now. And also because of the nylon bottom. It's quite an enjoyable typing experience. Remember, take these sound tests with a grain of salt, but overall let me know what you think down below, and thanks, have a good one.